In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Real-Debrid on your FireStick for faster and unrestricted streaming. Let's dive right in. First, head over to realdebrid.com and create an account by choosing a subscription plan that suits you, then log in to activate it. Next, on your FireStick, go to the home screen, select the search option, and type Downloader to install the app, which will help us sideload other apps easily. While you're there, also download a compatible media player like Kodi or Plex from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open Kodi or your chosen app, go to Settings, Add-ons, Install from Repository, Video Add-ons, and look for Real-Debrid under Services. Enter your login details to link your account. Now you're ready to stream. Open a supported add-on like Exodus Redux or The Crew, and when selecting content, choose links marked with RD, Real-Debrid, for high-speed, ad-free streaming. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.